It's making me nervous. And another one. Ah. And this. Let me see what this. And this. And
Here, show me.
this. And what hurt? What hurt?
This works too.
What hurt?
Oh,
Daddy, what is
Oh, it's binoculars. You look through it.
That's cool. I don't think this is for a baby.
Oh my God.
This is a digital voice recorded frame.
Cool.
And that's for you.
No, it says to Christopher from Grandma. Let's see, Chris, you want to see what Grandma did?
To Alex.
And you gotta, here. Let's see what Grandma wrote. You want to see? Okay, so this is from Grandma.
Can I have
Yeah. hold on.
this?
Does it say to Nicholas?
Yes.
Then yeah.
Merry Christmas from Grandma.
Can I have this?
Yeah.
No, that's
Wait,
for mine.
here's yours. No. Here you go. Let's read this one. Nick, may the magic of Christmas. Sorry, Nick, may the magic of Christmas stay in your heart all through the year. What do you say? Look at the thing and say, thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
You would say, we appreciate you, Grandma.
We appreciate you, Grandma.
This is all very sweet.
This is all very sweet.
Look, you guys, there's stories, and I don't know what that is. And there's plastic. Oh, look, here's another card to us.
Who, Mom and Dad?
Yep, that's the only us.
There
And
is.
it says, photos handled with care.
Mommy, can you open this?
It's your mom's house, a Christmas tree. Jason looking up.
Ricky, can you open this? Can you open mine? Can someone open this?